all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello lifestylers, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Yoli and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So guys, I am back with my 40 day of juicing. Guys, I lost count. Just know that I'm juicing and I'm vlogging but I officially lost count. Anyways guys, today I went ahead and I pre-prep all my juicing ingredients. So today guys, literally I'm using what I have in the house, right? So I have pineapple and I have grapefruit. These are leftover from a juicing that I did, so I'm using them up. And I have ginger. Yep, that's it. Pineapple, grapefruit, and ginger. Guys, it's the first time I'm making this juice for myself. Guys, this juice is filled with vitamin A and C. This juice, guys, will help you fight if you have any flu symptoms. This is the juice for you. This juice, guys, will bring your energy level up. This juice is filled with manganese. Guys, this juice will help to lower your cholesterol. It's filled with antioxidants. It will help to lower your blood pressure, and it also will help to fight cancer. Yes guys, cancer cells. Yes guys, this juice is loaded with a lot of vitamins, especially vitamin C. And guys, remember, we're in the flu season. We're actually in the flu season, so if you're fighting the flu, fighting the cold, get this juice guys. And this juice, you know, also have it can use to treat anti-inflammatory, guys. Yes, because we have the ginger. Yes, so it's the first time. So guys, I'll be literally tasting this juice for the first time with you guys. I normally mix grapefruit with other stuff, but never with pineapple. All right, I have nothing more to say. Just buy your grapefruit, buy your pineapple and your ginger, and let's get juicing. Very simple, very affordable. Yes, because juicing is very expensive, guys, but these, yeah, very affordable. All right, okay. Well, pineapple is not really affordable, but actually guys, what am I saying? These are not affordable. Grapefruit and pineapple are very expensive, but it's only 2 ingredients, so yeah, you don't have a whole lot of ingredients. But anyways guys, with that said, I'm gonna load up my juicer and I'm gonna get juicing. All right, so grapefruit it is. So I'm gonna put the ginger, guys, with the grapefruit so I can get all the juice out the grapefruit. You know how I do it. You guys know how I do it. Guys, let me know, are you enjoying these juice vlogs? Let me know if you are. Guys, this is so juicy. So juicy. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna load. Load, load, load. I am finished juicing. So I'm gonna empty out. Guys, what I love about this, it takes the pulp out the juice. On top of my bag. Okay guys, so this is a wrap. I am finally finished with my juicing. Let me just clean up here a little, stir it up a bit, and then I taste it. Okay guys, so I have my glass here. I'm gonna stir it up. So guys, this is gonna last me this will last me maybe about 3 days, as I'm excited to try. Let me try it. I'm excited. So guys, remember, this juice filled with can treat anti-inflammatory, lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, lots of vitamin C, lots of vitamin A, boosts energy, good for weight loss. Guys, very simple, very practical, very quick. Honestly, let's taste now, guys. Let's taste. Guys, this juice is good. So good. It has a little bitterish from the grapefruit, guys, but then the pineapple complemented with the ginger is just a perfect combination. Yes guys, so guys, this juice is really good. Guys, it's my first time, as I told you guys, making this juice, and it's really good.
So why not this? Me late to the party.
Grapefruit, pineapple, ginger. That's it. Very simple, very quick, very beginner friendly. Yes guys, and it's full of juice. So if you don't have a good juicer, they're very juicy fruits, so it has a little bitterish taste, but it's just everything just complement each other. And so guys, let me know if you're gonna try this juice. Let me know if you've tried any of the other juice. Let me know if you're liking these juice vlogs. Don't let me be over here wasting my time.
Guys, you can't go one look face routine. The skin glowing.
Let me know, guys. I'll give them soon. But anyways, guys, I really have to run. It's been a busy day. If you want to see me look very annoyed in this vlog, it's been a crazy day, but me still create content nevertheless. And yeah, and guys, if you're on your weight loss journey, grab this juice. High blood pressure, grab this juice. Want to lower your cholesterol, grab this juice. Anti-inflammation, grab this juice, guys. You want your vitamin C, you want your vitamin A, grab this juice. Flu, if you have fight flu symptoms, yeah, flu season, build up your immune system. It's good to build your immune system also, and lose a little weight in the process, and staying healthy. You get what I say? All right, I'm gonna take care of yourself and walk good. Bye.
Like, comment, subscribe,
share this caring. Bye guys.
Bye.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just